Hey Josh, what's up today, man?
Hey, what's going on? Not
Yeah,
much over here.
you're good? You're good? Yeah, I'm doing good too. So I have a ramp for you today, Josh.
What do
Let
you
me.
mean a ramp? What are we doing with ramps?
Here's the ramp. All
So we
right.
have three ramps.
Yep, three ramps: ramp one, ramp two, ramp three, and then there's these little balls up here. They're supposed to be made of steel, and they're supposed to roll down this ramp and then hit the wall at the end. Okay, all three of them. So
Okay.
I'm gonna challenge you today, Josh. Which which ball's gonna hit the wall the first? So which one do you think?
I'm thinking ball number three, which is the bottom ramp.
The bottom ramp? Alright. I'm gonna guess ramp number two, man. Yeah, but why do you think ramp number three will win?
Before I explain this, do you want to make a wager on this? If you
Sure.
if you lose the next video, you have to wear a chicken costume.
What?
Yes.
Chicken costume.
You have to do something extreme here.
I
After all, you made the track, so you should have.
so if you lose, you'll wear a chicken costume too, right?
Sure.
Sure.
The loser wears the chicken costume.
Alright, how about this? I think I'm just concerned that I couldn't find a chicken costume online here. If I lose, I will wear my kid's hat in the next video.
Your kid's hat.
Yeah,
Okay,
my
if
kid has
I
a cute
lose-
cute hat. Yeah, cute kid's hat. Yeah, but what about you? What if you lose? What are you gonna do?
If I lose, I will wear my dog as a scarf.
You wear your dog as your scarf?
Sure. But the smaller dog, not the big dog.
Alright. Fair enough. Okay, well, let's find out then. Are you ready? Okay, so right here on the left hand side here, I also have a plot, just to make sure that we can know who wins for sure. So the plot is a velocity versus time plot, and we'll find out. Okay, I'm gonna click run on this simulation here, and let's go. All right, go ball number two. Go. Oh, okay, go. Whoa.
Oh, bouncing.
Oh, shoot. I think I lost. Did I
There
lost?
was a lot of bouncing in there.
Yeah, there was a lot of bouncing there. All right, well, let's see how quickly.
I'm pretty sure you lost.
Yeah, I think I did. Dang it. Okay, oh well. Let's see. So the velocity would drop when it hits the wall. So it should be this vertical line right here. And for the first ball, it hits at about 2.77 seconds. For the second ball, 2.92. Okay, I'm slower than first
Maybe we
ball.
both lost.
Yeah, the third ball you hit at about 2. Well, we need to get the slope to be vertical, 2.78 seconds.
I think we both lost.
2.78. No. You won fair and square.
I beat you.
Yeah, you beat me, man. Okay, I'll have to ask my kids whether I can borrow the hat. But why did my ball lose? I mean, I thought it was gonna gain a lot of kinetic energy when it's going down. You see, like it's like sloping down so much, and
But even look at the. I mean, I guess there's some bouncing in the first ball, but there's a lot of bounces in both the second and third.
yeah.
So it must be some kind of slowing down. And I mean, especially in your number two, the bounces are quite big. So I think you're losing some kind of energy.
Yeah, I think my balls bounce too much, and the horizontal velocity the momentum horizontally just transferred to the vertical component, and we don't get to move as fast. I'm gonna rerun it. I'm gonna rerun the simulation. Let's see. A bit faster. Yeah, my ball. Oh yeah, look at how much it
Look
bounced
at all
there.
the
Yeah.
bouncing.
Oh yeah, look at
It's
all
like
the
you
bouncing.
skipped half the track.
Yeah, I skipped. Yeah, I had so much bouncing. Let's do that again. Let's see me
Maybe you're
lose.
just a really bad track designer.
I know. Let's see me lose over and over again. Oh my God! Look at that. Oh. Why is it bouncing? Okay. Oh well, I lost. I'll be
Yeah, you
wearing
better
my
go,
kid's
go
hat.
find a cute hat.
Okay, fine.
Maybe
Alright.
pink.
Pink.
Find a
Yeah, it's a
color.
pink color hat. Yeah.
Oh, very good, very good.
Okay, Josh. Hey, that was fun, man. Yeah, we'll come up with more ramps next time. Next time it'll be your turn to design the ramps, eh? And then we'll
Sure, and I'll
we'll
still win. Don't worry.
we'll see about that. We'll see about that. All right. Hey, take care, man. See you.
Okay, you too.
Okay. Bye.